Looking to boost efficiency, reduce waste and build a safer work environment? Welcome to the world of 7S and 6 Sigma, a proven method for workplace excellence. Let's start with the first 5 S's, adapted from lean methodology. First, sort. We removed what we didn't need. Fewer distractions mean faster work. Second, set in order. Now everything has a place, no more hunting for cables or documents. Third, shine. A clean workspace shows respect and helps us spot issues quickly. Fourth, standardize. Consistency matters. Our teams follow the same best practices. And fifth, sustain. We train and audit regularly to keep these habits alive. Now let's move on to the additional 2 S's. Sixth, safety. Safety isn't optional. We look out for one another every day. And finally, spirit. We encourage teamwork, pride, and a culture of improvement. Whether you're on a production floor, in a hospital, or managing IT systems, 7S can transform your space and your mindset. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, safety, and spirit. Small changes, big impact. 7S works because we make it work.